So the first step that we're going to look at in the 5-step process is creating your ideal client list. What you need to learn to do in the first part is to become a LinkedIn search ninja to make sure that you create a great list with qualified prospects. So there's 5 things you need to know and one separate area that you need to look at on LinkedIn search functionality that you need to be aware of as well. So the first search tactic is quotations. This is when you're trying to use an exact phrase. So in this example, I've got VP sales with quotations around it. Now, the reason why you do that is if you don't put quotations around it, LinkedIn's going to go look for VP and it could bring in VP finance, VP operations, VP something else, anything in there, VP marketing, whatever. It brings in multiple results. If you have just sales in this situation, it might bring back sales manager, sales director, sales rep. It'll bring back a whole bunch of results that you just don't need. So the quotations wrapped around 2 or more terms will bring back that exact phrase. Now, the next one is putting brackets around stuff. And this is when you're trying to combine terms and modifiers. So the modifiers in LinkedIn are and, or, and not. And we'll get to those in just a second here. So this example, what we're doing is we're looking at vice president and in capitals, sales or marketing, and the OR, the or is in capital as well. So in this case, we're looking for vice president with sales or vice president marketing, and it will bring back a bunch of different results for you. Now, getting into these modifiers and, or, and not, it's important. These all have to be in uppercase. So and is when you're searching for 2 terms that need to be included. So for example, if I go vice president sales and marketing, I want it to be looking for someone who's specifically vice president sales and marketing, not someone who's vice president sales, vice president marketing. I want to have vice president sales and marketing. The next one, or, will broaden your search. So in this case, vice president or VP, they both mean the same thing, sales and marketing. But because sometimes people shorten the vice president to VP, then this will bring results in for vice president sales and marketing or VP sales and marketing. So you'll get better results coming back as well. The last term is not. So this is when you want to exclude a particular term. And in this case, I look at vice president sales, not marketing. So I only want to see vice presidents where they have sales in their title, but not marketing. So one of the other things that you need to know is that when you go into LinkedIn search functionality, on the right-hand side, you can filter people by different things. So by your connections, keywords, locations, current companies, past companies, industries, profile language, nonprofit interests, and schools. And these will help further refine your results. One of the key ones you want to take a look at is the keywords, where you could put a first name, a last name, title, company, or school. A lot of the times when I'm searching, I'm going to be looking at specifically a title of somebody that is at a maybe specific company or just a title for somebody as well. So make sure that you're aware that you can further refine your results with this section here. The benefits to this by using these 5 search tactics plus also funneling your results or getting them more refined are you're not wasting the amount of time getting the search results that you need to get. You're spending less time searching and you're also getting better results coming back. And why this is important is that if you don't have a premium account on LinkedIn, you're only entitled to see 100 results coming back of anybody. So you want to make sure those results are the best that you can get. Secondly, LinkedIn will cut you off at some point in time during the month and force you to go to a premium account in order to get more search results coming back. So if you don't have the intention of moving to a premium account and you're on a free account, make sure that you're leveraging these tactics so that you get better results.